Well, it's almost 6 o'clock, Tuesday, September 5th. Came down by the bridge. The road noise will be obnoxious, but at least I get to go fishing. Starting off tonight with the Nico Helgramite, the 1/32 ounce sinker. Yesterday, the right method was low and slow. Creep it along the bottom as slow as you can stand it. Oh, I had that hit. Stupid, forgot to turn on my camera. First fish of the night is a 13+ inch smallmouth. I did have a clue what I was doing. I better get a fish because I'm over a branch. Catfish? Nope. Nice smallmouth. That is an 18-inch smallmouth bass. Once more for a good picture. Whoa. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful, because I'm not. But you can hate me because I live where I do. That's fine. I deserve that. So a couple minutes ago I got a 13-inch smallmouth. If I didn't have it recorded, I'm going to be very annoyed. It was 13.5. Had a whole conversation with you about it. Whew. Got some tug on this one. No jumping. We don't do that here. I don't think it's even as big as the first one, but sure fighting like it is. Of course, that's the thing we all love about smallmouth, isn't it? They'll kite us around in a circle. No, that they don't give up. That is my third nice fish of the night. That one is just shy of 16 inches. Whoa, come on. Whew. Hell of a night. I think I almost didn't come fishing.